To set corner action for top right, to open or close the quick panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top right. And then tap the gray on option next to open or close quick panel to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done, to open the quick panel, hover your mouse pointer on the top right corner of the screen. When to close the quick panel, hover your mouse pointer again on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.